Hi, everyone. My name is Anita. I'm an intuitive author of self help books. These nonfiction books that I've written are for self help, self care, self love, about how to and guidance, giving you advice. I want to touch upon my book that I wrote, Gratitude with Grace Finding Happiness. I'm going to discuss a little bit about what my book is about, and hopefully, it will help you see things in different ways. So, the first chapter I want to talk about is my chapter about what is manifesting. Manifesting, if you don't know, is something that you've been wanting in your life, something that you've been aspiring for, that you're putting all your work towards, or something like you have a wish that you make, but you make it out to the universe, and the universe will respond back and get you the wish that you want. But at the same time, manifesting is about putting also the work into it. You have to have perseverance when you want something. So I'm going to give you an example. You have been wanting to change jobs. You have been looking at how you can get from point A to point B. This job is better than what you currently have. So you start manifesting that. You can't just twiddle your thumbs around and just wait for that job to come knocking at your door. No, you have to have perseverance. You have to start researching where there are job openings, what that company that you want to work for is. All of these things you can also manifest. Manifesting is creating what you want through your thoughts, belief, and your energy. When you take all of that together, you're going to be attracting what you've been wanting into your life. So it's kind of like tapping into that universal energy and harnessing it to bring your dreams to come to fruition. Now, in my book, I also have quotes. These quotes were given to me by my guides in order to inspire you. I'm going to show you a couple of my quotes from my book. Nothing is ever a coincidence. It was meant to be. Those are so true. Even today, every time I read that, it makes me get goosebumps all over my body. And that's what I want to inspire you as well. Manifest all the goals you want to achieve. All of that is in my book, because once you start manifesting and you start setting all these goals, you can start checking them off. It's kind of like at the end of the year when you make resolutions. I like to do a vision board instead of making a board of pictures and stuff like that. No, I make a list. I make a list of things that I want to accomplish, and I take it in quarters. So for the first 3 months of the year, I put it away, and then I take it out in March and I start going through it and I start checking off everything that I've been able to accomplish. And you'll be surprised when you go through it. You might think that you haven't, and oh my God, I set goals for myself of things that I wanted to accomplish. One of them being this book. I put this book in my vision board, and holding it in my hands, it made my dreams come true. I want to tell you that that's like my inspiration. My inspiration comes from my angels, it comes from my spirit guides. All of these downloads that I've gotten when I wrote this book was a gift from them, a gift from me to you, because it's inspiring. It makes you want to change. It makes you want to attract the different things, the opportunities that you've been wanting. When I say that you can manifest, I also say that you have to have the perseverance in order to push yourself to achieve those goals. And by that I mean, when you align yourself to what you want, remember, you have to set your intentions for what you want in anything that you do. It could be a job that you're looking for. I'm going to give you an example. When I look for a job, I like to research the company, and I like to make a list. So that way, when they ask me for different questions, I'm prepared. I have that. I actually have an ebook where it has 20 questions for when you are going for a job offer, as well as 10 questions, when you're going to be moving into a new place and what to look forward to for that. These are all things that I'm going to be leaving in my description below, so you can also have that for yourself. But I love this. Success, abundance, and prosperity are knocking on my door all the time. These are things that I've been manifesting. These are things that you can say to yourself when you wake up in the morning. Imagine that. Imagine that the success, the abundance that you've been manifesting, the prosperity, someone is knocking on your door telling you that. It's like you're opening yourself up to this new change. That's what I want to inspire you with this book. I have different affirmations that I like to say. Say that you have, you're inspiring for different things. Like, for example, I have accepted the new job offer as a legal secretary. The employment is close to home and the office staff is amazing and they treat me as part of a team. These are things that I manifested before I went to my job, as I was working in the legal field and I got the job. Things that I've been manifesting that you can manifest too. Just change the little words or grab my book so you can get it yourself and see how your life can change, how you can visually see all of those new things that are going to be coming towards you. I love all of these quotes that I made because they were a gift from my angels to you in order to see like people love my work and cannot get enough of it. These are things that you can say to yourself. They're my affirmations. They're my manifestations that I'm sharing with you. Things that you can call to yourself. I feel like I'm a broken record. I get so excited when I talk about this book, but if it can inspire one person and that person can inspire someone else, then I know that this book made all the difference. And hopefully you like this and it resonates with you. Leave me a comment below, but better yet, share this video with your friends. Save it, because you can always come back to it. You can always grab my book and see how it changes you and how it inspires you, because that's what I want to do. I want to inspire you to be better. Thank you, and thanks for watching.
Books mentioned on the show, visit anitainspires.com or anitafonteboa.com. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Like and subscribe to never miss a show. Leave me a comment if this topic resonated with you, and share it with your friends and family. Anita Inspires is inspiring you to be better.